Hi, my friends. Today, I'm very excited to show you the books that I am currently into. When I wrote my first ever cookbook, and a big thank you to all of you who bought it, I mentioned some of the cookbooks that had influenced me. Ever since then, I've gotten a lot of questions about what food books I am reading now. I am more than happy to oblige. Being a food nerd and a bookworm, I love it when my two passions intersect. Here are some of the delicious reads that I've been getting into these days. Number 1, Company, The Radically Casual Art of Cooking for Others by Amy Thielen. As you may know, I love to host a dinner party. This being the case, I am always on the hunt for books that will help me up my dinner party game. Thielen is a Minnesota-based cook and writer who knows that, above all, dinner parties are supposed to be fun. It's easy to forget that when I'm trying to whip up a meal for 20 of my closest friends. But this book full of interesting recipes keeps me grounded. Number 2, Made in Taiwan, Recipes and Stories from the Island Nation by Clarissa Wei. Taiwanese food is a cuisine that I have been wanting to learn more about. That's why I couldn't wait to get my hands on this book when it was released. Part cookbook, part culinary history, part cultural snapshot. This is one of the most comprehensive chronicles of Taiwanese cuisine I've ever encountered. The research and photography for the book were done entirely in Taiwan. This is a true love letter to that beautiful island, one that will teach you how to make the perfect soup dumplings. Number 3, Food Journeys of a Lifetime, 2nd edition by National Geographic. Coffee table book has obvious appeal to me, The Consummate Food Traveler. The 2nd edition features 60 new must-taste destinations for globetrotting foodies. I turn to this informative, beautifully photographed book when I am plotting my next travel destinations, or when I want to relive some of my past trips. Number 4, The Rice Book by Sri Owen. Rice is the foundational ingredient for many of the world's cuisines, and the common thread in many of my favorite dishes. That's why I was thrilled to get my hands on this book. Equal parts historical work and cookbook, this masterpiece will teach you everything you ever wanted to know about rice. And it features recipes for everything from biryanis to paellas. And number 5, National Dish, Around the World in Search of Food, History, and the Meaning of Home, by 3-time James Beard award-winning author Anya von Bremzen. Often I write about national dishes, the dishes that help define a country's identity. I find that intersection of food and culture so fascinating. Well, this book is devoted to that exact topic. Here, von Bremzen explores how certain foods achieved national dish status and what that means for the cultures they have come to define. That's my top 5 for this year. I would love to hear what you all have been reading. To know more about what you can read or watch, visit cookingwithjade.com. See you soon.